Okay, so in our last video we focused on formatting this section. So now it's a bit more clearer and more readable with different fonts, and it still increments when the player collects collectibles. Now what we're going to do is have a kind of level complete screen or a modal, if you're from the web, where once the player collects all the stars, they'll know they completed the level. So let's go into the code. The best way to do this, in my opinion, is to kind of tell level state what the HUD knows, because the HUD knows how many, what the score is, how many stars the player has collected. So what we're going to do is make this variable public, so that now this level state has access to it. And then once we go into the level state inside the create stars method, we're going to figure out how many stars exist in the level. So we're going to create a total stars variable over here, which will be 0 at the moment. Then once this loops over, actually because this is already an array, we can do this. Total stars equals dot length. Okay, so this will give us total stars, and then once the player has collected the last star, so we'll do if HUD score, or actually doesn't really matter how we do it, equals total stars, and what we're going to say is level complete. Okay, so this here is getting the score from here. So when the player collects a star, this will increment. This will have that value. This total stars will work out how many stars there are in the whole level by counting how many there are in this array. And once they match, we will print this to the game, telling the player that they've collected all the stars, and then we can initiate what kind of level complete method we want. Because I put it in the wrong place, this should be here. No. Okay. So now, when we collect all the stars, you should see, now we have it, level complete. So in the next video I'm going to put some text here to say level has been completed, and we're going to do it in such a way where the player can no longer have access to the controls. They'll just see the screen and can't do anything else. It'll make more sense in the next video. Thanks for watching.